Bonjour. Auf Wiedersehen. I don't know if that's hello or goodbye, but welcome. Okay, so we've got Facebook, Instagram. The next one will be X. So same drill, guys. You click on it. We're gonna add OpenAI. It's gonna be, we'll create a completion over here. And you know what? For these two, I want you to give it your best shot. So go ahead and come up with the prompts yourself. Do some thinking. If you want to try, you don't have to because we'll do it together in a moment. But you can pause the video and just go through the practice of doing it, get better at it, think for yourself a little bit, train those muscles, get Bruce Lee on me. Become a Bruce Lee automation ninja. All right? So pause the video, unpause it when you're done, and we'll take it from there. Okay, guys, how did you do? Did you get it? If you did, right on, man. That's exactly the attitude and the go-go attitude, I should say, that gets you places. So, good work. If you just didn't pause the video, that's fine too. Let's look at this together. It's nothing different, right? So we're just kind of go through the motions a little bit here. So we'll do ChatGPT 4. Just some minor differences, of course, for concising the prompts per platform, right? That's really the difference. The rest is pretty much in the pocket. You could do some optimizations by lowering the tokens for X dramatically, just to reduce any type of error, but it's not super necessary. We'll add a message over here. We'll add the user. And again, I'm gonna just go back to the Facebook one. You know what, Twitter's gonna be similar to Instagram, at least in the sense of being much more concise with the post. I don't want that many characters. I'm not paying for the premium version. And in general, it's more striking when there's not so much of a post, if you want it to be like that. And so we're gonna copy this. And you know what? I can even copy the entire thing because I'm gonna be that lazy, because it's also coming from the same source of information through the router. So I'm going to go back here again. I'm going to even copy the boxes at the bottom. And being a good programmer is all about laziness. So your task is to create an engaging, creative, you heard it from me first, post for X, formerly known as Twitter, that will resonate with people. Your post needs to highlight da-da-da-da. Do not start your post with words like post or what you're about to do. Make sure to keep it da-da-da-da. Do all the given the information. This is pretty good. If you can think of something else to add and tweak, but again, I would suggest even seeing how the post looks. You can make a fake X account, fake Facebook account, or test accounts, and then run it on your test accounts first. That's what I'd recommend. And then make your tweaks accordingly. But I'm gonna keep it like that. I like it. And let's do the last one. So go ahead and do one for LinkedIn as well. Or maybe you already did. Well, how would I do it? I'm gonna do it the same way. Again, and the model over here is gonna be 4, not 45. We're not there just yet. Okay. And we're gonna add the message. We're gonna have a user role. If you're wondering how you could build supervised learning with examples with user and assistant, in my complete AI agent course on Udemy, if you want to check that one out, we cover different approaches. We also cover more than just LLMs. We look at text classification, and we talk about different machine learning principles and techniques, of course on a very high level, so super fundamental, but at least it gives you more of a language and understanding. So if you're going to be working in AI, you can have better fluency when working with data scientists or working with AI experts, and then working on the business side as well, or on the front end or the development side. Okay, so we're gonna do users. I'm gonna paste that in, and this is gonna be for LinkedIn. LinkedIn can be longer. Do not make sure you keep it informative and professional. Say that. All right, do not start your post. Your post needs to highlight this. And we can say and share the most pertinent link. Okay, do not do all the above given the information. And there you go. That will work for LinkedIn. So let's save this. And now let's go ahead and run everything and examine the results together. Okay, so when we run this now, I'm going to run it. After we run this, I should see LinkedIn, X, IG with the photo, and Facebook, and they should all respectively have their own tone, which makes practical and logical sense for the platforms that we're focusing on, right? So we got our researcher working, we've got our brain now interpreting the research, and then we're routing it out to our individual subagents that are going to handle each component. Let's take a look once that's ready. All right. So let's examine the outputs. We'll take the choices here. Message, so this is for Facebook. Get ready, tech AI enthusiasts. Beautiful. This looks great, guys. Get the download on Workday's AI management tool, spotlighting the vital need to efficiently organize and control the deployment. And then we got the link at the bottom. We got nice hashtags. This really seems nice. They talk about Snowflake and Anthropic AI agents coming from this article. Beautiful. All right, let's take a look at what we have for the completion with Instagram from Transformers. So we got Snowflake. Nice. It's even tagging. Beautiful. Not too long. We got the link. I think we didn't want to have the link, so I might want to be, that's something we might want to remove. I might have forgot to do that. So that's something we could add in the prompt. Not a big deal. But if we take a look at the output here, we should see we have a URL. We see the data URL. Beautiful. So it looks good for Instagram. Let's check out X. AI is transforming the business landscape. I like it. Beautiful. And we have a link here as well. I think we asked to remove the link on X. So I'm going to open up the prompt. Do not start your post, blah, blah, blah. Make sure to keep it short and sweet. All right, let's take a look here. Make sure to keep it short and sweet. Do all the above. Okay, I'm not actually explicitly saying not to post any link. So we would probably add something like that. Do not post any link associated with this post. You know what? We're going to save that, and then we're going to add that as well to Instagram. So again, it's part of the skill of optimizing the prompt engineering. I just don't want to have those links for X. What I'd like to do maybe is generate a 15-second clip video or cut videos from the research, clip them, and then add them to X. That's something that would be cool to do. It's something that you could explore doing after this course. It's not that hard with Make.com. You can build it out, actually. There may be a little bit of programming involved. Maybe not, though. So make sure to keep it short and sweet. I'm going to go back to here and paste that in. Do not post any links. We'll save that. And let's check out LinkedIn. LinkedIn can have links. It's in the name. So choices, our output over here. Beyond generative AI, this should be a bit more professional. Exciting progress, I like it. How can we streamline these powerful tools? Management systems. Yes, those are the LinkedIn buzzwords we need. Compliance, security. Beautiful. Okay, and we got the link. Okay, guys, if you have this working, you can optimize it from here with prompt engineering to your liking. But we started from nothing, and now we have a researcher, a brain, and separate routes for each platform, creating concise, focused content. And look how little this costs. Imagine having a team doing this, even just a person that you have to pay a salary. You don't need it if you can really get this working. This can be you. It can be your mind, your brand, your business. And this is a point in the course now where we can stop and take a look at the view, because this is really, the police are outside. because this is essentially the crux of the course. From here, it's really just a question of building the output and the authorization and just linking it to Facebook, linking it to Instagram. But what we did here was really build the model. So congratulations for designing the model. Let's now fine-tune the outputs so they can be concise and clean, and then let's hook them up to the authorization. I won't leave you hanging. I want to see this working for you guys. I can't wait to do it. In the next lesson, we will keep moving forward. Good work. See you there.